How to fix TikTok not opening. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if TikTok is not opening, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix if TikTok app is not opening, it is very simple. Let's say that you have the TikTok application. You've been trying to open the TikTok application for so long, but you're not being able to do so. So why is this happening over here? So what you have to do for this is just try to force restart your device. You can press and hold the power button to force restart your device if the TikTok app is not responding. Even if it is not opening, as long as you can long press on it, you'll find the I button here. So you can tap the app info option, then go to storage and cache, go to clear cache, and make sure to clear the storage as well. Once you've done that, it is going to clear the storage for this. Or what you can also do is just try to force stop the application. Now open up your Play Store, and then in the search box just go ahead and then type in TikTok. Check if the TikTok app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.